So we have looked at various forms of gendered violence in the previous modules where we under the gender policy. In this module, we are going to discuss women's experience with the Pakistani justice system. Police is the first contact with the law. Common observation is that police is highly discriminatory towards women. Women are harassed, abused, and even raped at police stations. Women police officers are very few in number in terms of total police force. So they cannot protect the women victims or women accused. Until a few years ago, women were not allowed to even join the police service of Pakistan. Then there are very few women police stations. So this was one way to stop men from harassing women accused, was to establish women police stations. But there are still very few of them available. So most of the women are still being put in jails in the ordinary police stations. Toxic masculinity is part of the Pakistani culture, but is more common in police. Every few months, we hear a report of sexual harassment and abuse of women accused at police stations. So this is a rampant crime issue. Courts also have this similar issue. Sexism is prevalent. There are few women lawyers and judges that can stop this from happening. Courts are not safe places for women. In May 2014, a young woman was killed by her family in the court premises. In July 2019, a woman was killed in a shootout in a court premises. Laws are interpreted discriminatorily. Women don't have money to hire lawyers. Women don't have money to get transport to reach the court premises, and women don't have, and the society doesn't allow them to get out of their homes to go to their courts to fight their cases. And then, of course, delay in cases leads them to more problems than men. Men are imprisoned more than women, but women face more problems in jails, and this starts when they are arrested. Jails provide a big opportunity for men to harass women. Everything can be cashed in terms of sexual favors. From family meetings to a glass of water, everything can be charged. So if we look at the Pakistani justice system, starting from police to courts to prisons, women are discriminated in all of them. The things are getting better, but the improvements are very slow. So still, the conditions are very harsh for women. Thank you.